All right, Maider. So we have a injury update. So what we're doing is we're rehabbing our wrist from our little fall. So I guess, how does your wrist feel today?
Better.
Does it feel better? Does it feel much better than 2 weeks ago?
Yes.
Good. So what I wanted to do is share what we're doing for rehab to slowly bring the wrist and the strength back in the wrist so we can start getting back into our push-ups, pull-ups, and all the other stuff. So today we're just going to show one exercise. The band is anchored up top. We're going to swing the arms back. Go ahead, Maider. Give me 1 minute's worth, please. Pull. So what we're looking for is the mobility of the shoulders, the strength of the wrists, and the strength of the elbows. Because of babying the injury, there's going to be a lot of compensation. So we want to make sure that we don't take that compensation with us to our fitness goals. So we're going to slowly rehab little by little. And today we're also going to show you 3 different variations of the same exercise using different handles to challenge the hand and the wrist so that we can slowly get back to where we once were pre-injury. All right, variation number 2. If you notice, the handles, we switched them to these larger, girthier handles. So again, we're really challenging the wrist in this motion. We're pushing back. How do you feel?
Yeah, a little more challenging.
Can you feel the difference between the two?
Yes.
Nice. Good. So if you see, the older ones, or the ones that we used in the last one, were not as thick. So this is about as thick as wrist. That one would be a lot thicker, a lot bigger. A lot harder for the wrist to hold. All right, for variation number 3, we have the ball, where she has to hold on to the ball. So again, so now the hands or the fingers are bent. It's a different challenge. How does this feel?
Yeah, more challenging.
More challenging? Okay. All right, so variation number 4, same exercise, now different handles. So now what we gave her is some gi grips. So now she has to create a full fist. And how does this feel?
It's a little better.
A little better. So now we've challenged the stability of the wrist with shoulder movement in a big grip, smaller, and then a really tight grip. All same movement, different hand requirement or different hand demand, working all the same exercise. Slowly getting her back.